see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.
Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. Heidi, say morning. Kumakain siya ng pancake. Uwi na kami. How are you, my boy? Good? Getting better? Okay, that's good. See you, dear! Bye-bye na! Kiss! Boy!
Change clothes.
Oh, jeans ka nga na. Boss, kanina ka ba? Thank you. Thank you, dear. Bye! Clothes. Kanina pa pinapa-change kasi lahat ng daw naka-change na. Except si mami niya. Nagsasapatos na yung dalawa. Nasa na siya? Nasa upang ko na. Bye, dear! Wow! Bye, dear! See ya! Uy, ako dyan, di. Ako dyan, doon ka. Kung sasama ka, doon ka sa likod. Hindi sa harap, di. Wag ka naman ganyan, di. Wag ako, di. Di, mas gusto ko dito, di. Sama ka, doon ka sa likod, di. Hindi siya ano siya. Makikidnap to. Wala na kayong kasya, di ba? Ang maliwalas ba tingnan?
Pag nag-booster na yan si Ayla,
Ano?
ano?
Diba? Oh, where's Tito John? Other side, I think. Where's Tito John?
Maybe he went to the neighbors.
Where's Tito? Nasaan nga? Hindi man punta sa neighbors. Where's Daddy? Oh, no, ay Daddy here! Tito John!
Bye, Tito John.
Cute. Time check is 9:47 na. Umalis kami kila Ray siguro 9:30. Nag-stop lang kami dito sa isang store kasi may pinick up lang si John para kay Joe dito sa store na to. And kahapon, yung nangyari pala kay Sak, hindi ko yata masyadong na-chika sa kasi sobrang nag-alala kami. Kasi nung first quarter, bago matapos yung first quarter, magmamark si Sak ng ball. Kaso na-smash siya. What do you call that, Sak? Crash. Crunch. Ha? Crunch. Tapos, natamaan yung ribs niya under the collarbone na sobrang sakit. Lumapit pa siya sa daddy niya. Sabi niya, Dad, I'm sore. Tapos, sabi niya, do you think you can move your arm? Sabi niya, move niya naman. So, nag-try pa rin siya tapusin yung first quarter. After matapos, nagpa-pull out na si Sak kasi si Jan. Ayan yung pinick up niya sa friend niya. Nasaan na siya? Ayan, para kay Joe. Help him. Nagpa-pull out na siya kasi hindi niya na magalaw yung eto niya. Hindi niya na maganon. So, hindi na siya makapick ng ball. Kasi, trinay niyang ganunin. Yung parang ini-stretch niya. Tapos, yung physiology, lumapit na kay Sak, dalawa yun. Sa baba, isang lalaki, chine-check yung collarbone niya kung nasira or nabali or kung nag-crack. Hindi naman, wala naman daw na-crack. Pero yung ribs niya under the collar, parang parang feeling kasi hindi naman daw kailangan, kasi akala namin pwedeng ipa-exercise, hindi kailangan exercise kasi chinek siya na buo naman, walang nag-pop, wala bang parang namaga na basta may explain siya sa amin na wala naman daw nag-pop na collarbone na dislocate yung bone niya or yung ribs niya under the collarbone. Kaya ayun, i-ice pack lang tapos rest for 2 weeks, right, Zachary? You're gonna rest for 2 weeks? What do you mean you don't know?
Sorry, guys.
Oh, say how it goes. Kasi,
Should heal pretty quick.
you think so? Sabi, what?
Sorry, no.
Sabi ni Jen, ano naman daw, baka mag-heal ng very quick. Kasi nga, wala namang balik. Parang nagka-bruise lang yung muscles doon sa may ribs niya under the collarbone. Hindi ko, basta yung daming in-explain ng physiology doon. Tapos tinanong ko nga kung pwede ipa-x-ray, hindi kailangan kasi pinipress-press nila, masakit lang siya pag pinipress, pero buo siya, hindi siya yung walang nakakapang sira or broken, kaya hindi naman daw kailangan. And if ever man wala din magagawa, parang i-heal siya by its own. So yun yung sabi, so parang rest. So we'll see kung kailan siya maging okay, kasi ngayon medyo sabi niya much better today compare kahapon. And then hindi na rin nakapunta si Sak. Iniwan namin si Jan after nang ma-check yung ano ni Sak, yung collarbone niya. Iniwan ko na si Jan kasi hindi na rin sila matutuloy doon sa presentation kasi nga nasasaktan si Sak. Umiiyak nga si Sak eh. Yung parang naluluha siya sa sakit. So hindi na nag-attend kasi it's supposed to be ipipresent niya pa yung jersey niya sa isang, so yung bago, kung sino yung number na 21 this year, ipipresent niya yung jersey. Hindi na nag-attend kasi nga kailangan i-ice pack na si Sak. Tapos si Holly sumabay na kay Dad. Tapos kami, nagpa-drop off kami nga ni Race kasi nag-dinner kami sa Japanese restaurant kasama si Mers. Kaya unplanned din yun kasi hindi ko alam na matutuloy kami sa sa presentation ni Sak. So nung hindi, so yun, nag-book kami. Tapos tinext namin si Mers kasi nag-crave din yun. Kasi masarap talaga doon. So yun guys, in ice lang siya every day hanggang maging okay yung ni Sak, pakiramdam. Kasi nung humihinga raw siya, medyo masakit daw. Tapos pag gumaganon siya, masakit. But ngayong umaga, much better daw. So yun ang update ko sa inyo guys about kay Sak. And ngayon, pauwi na kami. Nakuha rin ni Jan yung pinapick up sa kanya ng friend niya. And suot nila yung jumper na bili kahapon.
Go in there, man. They're not going to come in there.
Dito na kami guys sa Kit. Kuha lang kami ng lunch. 12:21 na.
All I want is a ham and cheese sandwich
Okay.
with 2 potato cakes, plain salt. Thank you.
Kumuha kami ng bargain box. Si Sak hot dog. Okay. So kumuha kami ng bargain box. Upsize na chips. Then coffee. Tapos si Jan, ayun, sandwich and potato cakes. Here, han. Sa bargain box, itong kasama, may Coke. And si Kuya hindi. Ayaw niyang kumuha. Kumuha maraming tissue. Kasi oily ang kanilang chicken. We hold you.
The potato tastes good.
Mhm.
It's so good.
You don't like her? So? Daddy, Daddy had 2. How many you have? 1? How's your hot dog? Kinain niya na kasi yung kanya. Habang hinihintay ko yung yung chips. Kasi yung chips bagong luto talaga.
Did you like the potato cake?
It's alright. You like it, Olive? Ito yung laman. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung chicken. Ayan. May 5 ata siya. Mix siya ng ribs. And, 6. Binigyan niya akong 3 ribs. Ang bait ng babae. Kasi sabi ko, can I have ribs? Yeah, of course. But I'm just gonna mix with something. Sabi ko, yeah, it's okay. Kasi minsan, isang ribs lang or 2. Ngayon, 3 malalaki. Tapos, may isang drumstick, wings, and yung parang picho. Ito yung laman. Ito ang ayoko. Meaty. You want this one, Baba? Himay ko to sa kanya. I got lots of tissue here if you need it. Oh. Stand by, oh. Good, no? Sarap. Masarap ka ang chicken dito. Minsan lang kasi oily. Minsan okay naman. Guys,
Everything out back, boys.
bye na kami. And yun na yung vlog. Kunin ko lang yung isang car
Where?
kasi where we going, Holly?
Dance.
Yeah, may dance siya. 4 o'clock. 3:15 na. 4 o'clock na and magte-take away na lang. What?
Pasta, pasta.
Pasta.
Gusto niyan dinner
Yeah,
pasta.
Spaghetti and meatballs.
Oh my God. Alright guys, yan ko na yung vlog kasi 4% na lang din ng
And I love
butter nito. Okay, close the vlog.
Please like, please subscribe if you
Thank
haven't
you.
yet.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. It's on 4%.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching. Please like and please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog.
See you guys. Bye. Thank you,
Can I have
Race
the
and
silk back
Dan.
brush, please?
Yeah. Guys, tapos na siya and namili na ako ng kanilang mga pang baon-baon. Yes, sa Woolies ako bumili. Alright, let's go and gabi na naman, paggabi na.
I'll try so hard to fade away. I'll try so hard to fade away, but something's forcing me to stay. It'd be easier for me if I turn away to flee. Oh, but there's something holding on in the way of being long gone. I know I should have done this, should have quit this long ago. Can't stand another heartbreak, but it's time to let it go. It'd be easier for me if I turn away to flee. Oh, but there's something holding on in the way of being long gone.
Good morning guys. Dito tayo sa Bayshed. Nawala pa. Dito si Jan ang aga niya. Pumunta siya ng Mount. Ito pala the next day na. Ano na bang date? Dito si Jan. Maaga siya pupunta ng Mount. Ito yung ginagawa niya ngayon dito sa sa bay. Kumuha siya niyan para i-dump dito kasi nag-order si Jan na bagong eto ba yung tank, i-deliver yun this week. Ayan, sand. Are you still gonna get the gravel, Barb? Or just this one?
Huh?
Are you gonna get the gravel as well? Just this one. I think you have to shovel this one. No? Oh, you got a new one?
What?
This one.
Yeah.
When? Today?
Yeah.
Oh, may binili naman siyang bagong tool. What do you call that one?
Scrape.
Huh?
Scrape.
Screek? Anong tawag dyan sa atin? Ang alam ko lang is Pico. Kasi nung elementary sa gardening, Pico. Ano pa ba? Bolo. Tapos yung kaykay, yung parang ngipin. Atras siya. Ay, atras. Abante. More, babe! More! One more. Okay, good. All good. Pa rin yung magtatayo ng shed. Buti nandito pa ang mga to. Kung sa Pinas to, wala na to. No, ninakaw ng mga to. Paka-deliver. Pag maghintay lang yung mga magnanakaw ng gabi, kukunin nila to. Buti na lang dito. Hindi naman. Kasi ilang na to. Ilang araw na to dito. Maulan din kasi, so medyo challenging daw ikabit din to at saka mahangin. Pero busy yung tatayo nito. Ayun, basang-basa kasi umulan, laging umuulan. So si Jan, ginagawa niya yung mga kaya niyang gawin, like eto nga, pagtambak ng sand doon kung saan ilalagay yung bagong tank na in-order niya. Tapos ito ilalagay ito doon sa farm, di ba? Nasabi ko ba sa inyo? Ito ilalagay ito doon sa farm. Kung nasaan yung mga horses. Tinanggal niya yung jumper niya. Kasi ikakaykay niya to. I-spread niya ba? So how far is the tank from this fence? Huh?
I want to sort of keep it so you can walk around it.
Ah, okay.
Probably out there.
Where's the green one?
Yeah.
The green grass. So ililipat dito yung tank na bago. Kasi dito yung tank na luma. Pero ngayon, i-change ni Jan yung position ng tank dito sa side. Tama nga naman, para magamit yung area yan, di ba? Kasi dito wala naman, hindi man to nagagamit. So, ipa-flat niya lang to. Today? Yeah. Ngayon pala darating yung tank. Yeah. Oh, so early? Napaaga yung deliver. They're coming from Swan Hill, right? Is it Swan Hill? No?
Where's that line there?
Ngayon pala darating yung tank. Napaaga daw. Tinawagan daw siya na ngayon daw i-deliver. Kaya pala, nagmadali siya kanina. Sabi ko, saan ka pupunta? Punta ako ng, kuha ako ng sand. Sabi ko, sand for what? For the bay. It's nearly? Hindi pa raw to empty, guys. Kasi ni-empty to ni Jan. I think still here, Han. Half. Flat. Pina-flat niya talaga. Ha? Mineasure niya daw. Para tama dun sa darating na tank. Iti-text daw siya pag malapit na. Siguro uwi muna ako ng bahay para magawa ko yung mga gawain ko din dun sa bahay. Tapos text niya na lang ako mamaya pag malapit na. Or pag na-text na siyang malapit na yung tank. The front?
The front there.
Mm.
I'll have to come just tell a little bit.
Maybe you put more.
Huh? No, that's enough
That's enough?
for now.
Oh. Kinuha niya yung kanyang measurement. You said you want some space at the back so we can go around. Yes, a little bit forward. Kasi gusto niyang maikutan ba, makadaan pa yung tao sa likod ng tank. Kasi malaki yun, mas malaki dito. It's a bit bigger here, right, Han? The new tank?
Huh?
It's a bit bigger. It's a bit bigger, Han. The tank.
Yeah.
Yeah. A bit bigger nga. Malaki na to, pero yung in-order niya mas malaki pa dito ang konti.
About the same as that.
The same. You said a bit big.
Yeah, it's a bit that gravel's just got to get that bit right, then we can add to this side.
Later on kasi kukuha pa siya ng gravel. Paikutan yung yung tank. Yeah. Okay, I'll see you later. Love you. Bye. Uwi muna ako para makapagluto ng dinner para mamaya and makapag-tied up sa bahay. Okay, see you guys. So, ang vlog ko guys, hindi everyday. Ano siya, pag may mga kaganapan lang talaga para hindi ako ma-stress sa editing. Ito pala, nakapag-prito na ako ng chicken, pero lalagyan ko yan ng sauce. Ayan, meron ako ditong cream. And si Jan, narinig ko nagkakat ng grass sa front. So, wala pa yung magdi-deliver ng tank doon sa bay. Kasi alas 12 pa lang naman. Alauna raw, 1:20. Darating yan. And, ito yung binake ko na shell ng eggs. Kasi nga, gagawin natin tong fertilizer. I-ano ko pa siya, iga-grind. So, yan guys. Pakulang ko lang to. And, ilalagay, mag-iwa kong lemon. Dito naman sa likod si Jan. Oh. Fertilize yung ash sa grass. Tapos niya nang ikat dun sa harap eh. Pitas tayo ng isang kalamansi. Ito yung pinakamalaki. Isa lang. Oops. Ayan. Oh my God. First time nating mag-harvest dito sa ating tinanim na kalamansi. Ayan, dami pa. Ayan. Green ulit. And yung isang green dito nag-yellow na. May bulaklak ulit. So, ayan. Isa lang. Ito na yung cream para sa ating chicken. And yung aking kamatis. At yung pinitas na kalamansi sa ating hardin. Ayan. And meron pa ako dito, pork naman to para bukas. Kasi ayan yung ating chicken. Done cooking guys. And si Jan tapos na rin siya mag-cut ng grass. Bumalik na siya sa farm. And mamaya pupunta siya sa bay. Para dun sa delivery ng i-receive niya. But ayan na yung kamatis. Ang laki niya, di ba? And yung broccoli, then yung ating ulam later na creamy lemon chicken. Ang tawag ko dyan kasi may lemon siya. And cream and chicken. So, yan yung dinner later. Okay, guys. Prepare kasi mamaya. Baka i-text na ako ni Johnny Boy. Oh, ayan na nga. Speaking. Nandito na. Oh, asawa. Alright, guys. See you.
So hard to fade away.
Dito na ulit tayo sa bay. Parating na daw, sabi ni Johnny Boy. Ayan na. It's big, babe.
Yeah, I can see where it's going.
As long as we get there, I've got to go.
Ang liit nang nag-deliver. Ang liit-liit niya. Galing, malayo pa to eh.
Cheaper and you get extra water, right?
So he's just gonna roll it? He's so tiny, hon. I see, it's so massive.
For every time I rock up and people say, geez, that's big, I wouldn't be driving the truck.
And it should be the same that way too, shouldn't it?
Yeah, I think so.
Does it come with any fittings and that? This? Yeah.
Andito yung mga kaibigan niya. Magkapatid yung dalawa. Tulong sila. Ayan.
Go around to this back corner. Right, lads. Good thanks. Pushing back towards the fence. Yep, just need to square it up to get the cut off. So a little bit more on here. Not a lot. Go around again. That's it. Yep. Okay. Yep. Okay. Now push it out to there. And then get on this corner here.
Ang liit niya pero ang laki ng boses ni Kuya. You're hitting the fence now.
Got a little camera there.
Yeah, I do.
Oh, okay. Is that hooked to your phone or?
No, no, it's different.
Oh, okay. Keep coming, boy.
I'll try to have the whole back. I want to be off a little bit. Want to be able to walk around the tank a bit more.
Yes.
It's going to be fucking tight. Gonna have to go from that corner this way. Yeah, pushing around, lads. Just watch that fence when we're pushing it around. Hopefully it doesn't fucking bottom out on it. Keep going, lads.
Oops.
That's all right.
Keep going. Come more. Let me have a look. Fuck, that's not bad, actually. Come have a look, right?
Yeah, if you think it's good, yeah.
How close you want it to this fence to the left?
Want to be able to walk around the back, walk around it.
Yeah, that's probably good.
Yeah. How we gonna? How do we? Once we get it, do we spin it? Do we?
Yeah, we've got it sort of corner. They're a pain in the ass.
I know.
They are a pain in the ass, bro. Okay, best way to lift the lads under your ribs. 1, 2, 3, off we go. Once it gets to that spot, it'll skip a bit,
Oh,
so it doesn't fucking skip the cunt.
We'll be roll together then. Oh, that's fucking good.
Okay, what we've got to do, as we push, we've got to spin.
Yep.
Right? Should have put a couple of timbers under it. Would have been a lot easier. Okay. In this corner here. How much room is- oh, that's right. So we're pushing it and spinning as we go. And again. Okay. Now I want to get too close to there. Where's that fucking pillar? Miles away. Yep. And again. And again.
okay. It's a bit tight
Oh,
now.
yeah, we're getting there, bro. Everyone smile for the camera. Do we get royalties for this? If we don't, we're not doing it. Oh, no. Same again this corner.
Paano pa makakadaan dyan?
Yep. So we must be getting close. That's good. So where's your tank, your shed?
Right here.
Wouldn't you be better off having
Well,
your...
we were just going to hide the. We were just going.
Oh, you're going to run along the fence line and then go up?
Just going to hide it behind here.
Okay. Well, we've got to push this cunt back that way then.
Yeah.
Right? Every man his dog under the on here. Ah, look at that.
I'll put the rubber in there.
Okay.
We can probably
Let's-
go out a bit more than give them another push.
Yeah,
there,
yeah,
mate.
okay. Anyway, lads, as we go, let's try and spin the cut. One more. That's all good. It's going to be close, bro.
Yeah, we'll get there.
Okay, one big more hooker. And we're a fair way off that fence there.
Yeah, we're enough. I reckon.
Let's see, we've got to go around a bit. Right.
So we've got to still
Push. Straight out.
straight out.
Yep, 1, 2, 3. One more. Hold it there, let's have a look. Back onto this corner. Fucking really give it a fucking curry in the hurry. Come on, that's it, lads.
That's good.
Yeah, that'll try. I reckon we'll just go.
A
On
bit.
the pad more here.
Yeah, we'll just go back because there's a fair bit at the back in there. Just keep-
More.
Dino cannot fit there, babe.
What's the camera say? We right?
Yeah.
All good? Well, we got the good. Or we going back off?
Nah, just want to get through there.
So we're on the pad this side too, bro.
You happy there?
I'm out. Hey, it's up to you. I'm only a truck driver. You could probably go back a bit
That way.
if you want to. But,
You want to be able to walk beyond, don't you? Or-
Yeah, just.
oh, nah. Leave it where it is.
I think that's about right, isn't it?
Okay, all good. I'll get your fittings.
Come over
Truck there, man.
here. Is that right? Can you go around there?
Yeah.
That's right there, like
Yeah,
that.
bro.
Bro. Ayan.
Just in case, you know. Oh, yeah. No, that'll do it. Yeah. That's easy.
There's your outlet, bro.
Thank
There's
you.
your tap.
Yep.
Get a snag.
Right back to Adelaide.
Mow bridge.
Oh, Murray Bridge.
Load
Yeah.
up and go
Oh,
to Lee
yeah.
Creek.
Lee Creek.
Yeah,
What, today or tomorrow? Tomorrow.
I'm not fucking going today.
See you.
All
Thank
right.
you.
All good.
Thanks,
Just give me
mate.
5
Bye.
minutes. Just got to cover some signs and that. So the RTVA don't give me enough to find.
From Maria Bridge pala to, guys. Ayan, alis na si kuya. It's funny. Okay. Yan, napasto na. Oh, 'di ba mas malaki talaga siya at matangkad. Mas matangkad. Yeah, medyo ano siya, medyo ano ba 'yun? Uneven. Pero sabi ni Jem, pag may tubig na yan, magle-level lang naman yan. Yung dito. Okay. Try nga natin, makadaan tayo. Yes. Yep. Kasha. Walang sabit. Pero yung si John, ano lang, magkaano siya, magsa-sideways siguro si John. Kasi ako yung pagpasok ko, dire-diretso lang. Si John pa sideways na siguro siya. Kasi ako, kasyang-kasya. Dire-diretso lang. Kinuha niya yung shovel niya. Nasa car lang naman. Tingnan niya kung gaano kalalim yung etong tank. Wow. A bit deep, babe. No? Yeah, that one.
Forks about to go up there and just.
I'm going now, Han. I have to pick up Holly. Alright, see you.
Alright, say bye. Yeah.
Thank you, boys. Bye. Iwan ko na sila dito kasi magpe-prepare na ako kasi pick upin ko pa si Holly sa school then drop sa dance. Ang ganda ng weather. Kahit winter na, tingnan nyo. The sky is blue. What did you say?
I had a little boy say what it was. And it's good.
Good. Ayan yung dinner na. Dito na si Kuya.
Can you get mom?
Okay. Ito yung kay Johnny Boy. Ah, Baba, get some broccoli. Alright guys, see you next time.
Yeah.
Every time I go out, I want to do a job.
Well, you might have to do a job.
I could be your paradise.